In the universe of the mysterious Howard, what's the most incredible celestial body you've ever seen? Perhaps your first instinct is to think of the famous Lord of Creation. It's a red north that really exists in the Milky Way or something. 6,500 light-years from our Earth. Back in 1995, at that time, the world's most powerful optical system in the Hubble Space Telescope, for the first time, this close-up photograph of the Lord of Creation was taken. We can see three pillars that look like noses. Songli is in the cosmic space without camp. In fact, they have star gas in the military, and the huge clouds formed by Chennai. And the longest of these pillars, it can be about a light-year long. Blind date with various Bale Office Medicine Eyes Star Chun. View from Earth. The Genesis is a small part of the interior of the Shadow Collision Nebula. Because of the shape is often unique. Whether he is a senior researcher of astronomy or someone who has never been exposed to astronomy, their mother life will be helped by creation. I was deeply attracted, even in the space website. It is also spelled as the sound of Habershada's classic moves. And from this rendered image, the forecast is for the light rain element, Bluetooth test, and the red test stream. Suppose you're inside these pillars. We'll be back to witness hundreds of Yinger Hanksons in difference process just because of the gravitational pull. These dense molecular cloud elements, they will gather in groups and finally ignited, establish a new group of Hongxin. It's like every moment of the sun that you bask every day. It was also formed in a similar scenario. So these elephants are huge pillars in the shape of each other. The bowl is like the making field of the stars. Floated a new star of the genus and the incomparable, hence the name of the Lord of Creation. In 2014, to celebrate the 25th anniversary of the launch of the Hubble telescope, scientists use Hubble's third-generation wide-field camera, reshoot, and synthesized a picture with a wider field of view. The picture is clearer under the Genesis spider picture. And in October 2022, by NASA European Space Agency and the Grand Space Agency of Ghana, the advantages of development are the most powerful since the performance. The most expensive Weibo for fraud is far and near. Take advantage of the red card camera. Penetrated the bend of interstellar dust. Captured the monkey spider. The most detailed photos. It can be seen that many young stars are still developing. It is buried in the pillar that stands on top of the heavens and the earth. This is such a shocking cosmic organ. On the whole, it's like a Yuling shot deep in the universe. However, it is a pity that according to the evidence observed by the Spider Space Telescope, the Genesis may have been 6,000 years ago. It has been exploded by a superstar nearby. The resulting shock wave was devastated. In other words, the creation of the Sook's red-tailed and shocking shape. In fact, it has long ceased to exist. It's just that it's at least 6,500 light-years away from Earth, limited by the limited speed of light. We're at least 500 years from now to see the Lord of Creation, the scene of the so-called destruction. Because of this, the Lord of Creation who makes people greedy for their jobs. It also symbolizes the transience of life and the devastation. So in the universe of the widowed cats and voiceless, not to mention humans, even if it's everything, are destined to have a day when they will go to the middle knot.